What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here with you at Cool Crypto, where we talk about all your favorite cryptos out there, guys. All right, so real quick today, I'm going to be giving you guys a brief update on Lillian Finance. So I know I haven't done many of these videos recently, guys, and I know we did a live with the team not too long ago. I want to say about a week and a half ago. It was a week, I'm sorry. We did a live. Brad was there with us. Cody was there hanging around. I had invited a couple of other people, members from the team, but unfortunately they were unable to make it, you know, given the circumstances, time frames, and all that stuff. I'm Pacific, they're Eastern, so it is what it is. But real quick, before we dive into the video, guys, I do want to let you know that this is not financial advice. Although I look like a financial advisor, I am not. Always invest in your own risk and always do your own research. With that being said, I'm going to be going over the price action, but before we get into that, I just want to go ahead and talk a little bit about our DeFi Double Shot Tuesdays. So for those of you who don't know, this is what Lillian Finance is doing in order to get a little bit closer to the community and to give us a little bit more light to some of the investors out there. So for some of you who are new, who have been on the fence about joining our group Lillian Finance, this is a perfect opportunity for you guys to get to know the community and what we're all about. As you guys can see, during this bear market that we're currently in right now, we haven't really seen a lot of activity from a lot of these projects. We haven't seen devs get out there and just talk to the community, just to kind of tame the fire and what's happening out there with the market. So this is one of the points where I consistently make on a regular basis to people, where I say that the team really stands out because they have been very consistent with their AMAs, with their spaces, whether it's the DeFi Double Shot with Cody G on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 11 a.m. Eastern. So with that being said, tomorrow they're going to be hosting a special Twitter space where we're going to be talking about what are some of the practices that people tend to do when it comes to looking into a project. In other words, vetting projects to make sure they're not rug pulls or to prevent any harm to themselves with their investment. So I would highly recommend that if you have the opportunity to do so, come in and join us, man. Make sure that you guys are following the Lillian Finance page. These usually get tweeted out through me as well. Make sure that you're following me on Twitter, CoolCrypto2481. So I'm going to be posting the link for that as soon as I see it, guys. With that being said, let's dive right into the price action. All right, so for our price action, we're currently closer to the sevens. We are up 6.31% on the day. Now, last time that we looked at the holder mark, we were still shy a little bit of 300 in order to get to the 10K holder mark. So looks like we are still a little bit shy at the moment. But if we look at our chart, you guys can see that we have sat and consolidated around the 5.6 area, which we're currently going to break the sevens. As you guys can see, also we have been on a current downtrend. Obviously, it's not the only project. We have been on a downtrend for quite some time because of the market conditions. That's hoping to change soon. So as you guys can see, not a lot of price action happening at the moment, but guess what? That's okay. You know why? Because we're not losing 90, 100%, 150% like some other projects are. This is going to really dictate whether we're going to be able to stand up and be a part of the crypto community or the crypto space once the bear market is over. So this is a test of time that we're currently in right now to see how successful we're going to be, which I believe in the long run we're definitely going to still be around. We're only the beginning. We're a one-of-a-kind project. We're a first of our kind. I'm really excited for what's to come, guys, especially with the 501c3 still in the works. That's pretty much from what we heard from the team that's holding us up from getting listed on a tier 1 exchange and from getting some investors to come in and put some funds on the table for the team. So like I said, obviously things take time, especially when you're dealing with government classification, especially when it comes to tax classification. So take that with a grain of salt, guys. It's not something that's going to be done overnight, and I know you hear this all the time, but it'll eventually happen. And when it does, man, I can't wait to see where that's going to put us at. Bear market or not, I think it'll eventually do great for the project once money starts flowing in. But Only time will tell, guys. I'm very excited. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. For some of you who didn't check out the AMA for today's foundational space, make sure you guys check it out. It was a recorded space, recorded AMA as you want to call it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Everybody out there, you already know the deal. Stay cool.